So hello everyone, back with another video. In this one I'm going to tell you a program in which you can create a data frame. So let's begin. Make sure to jot down each and every point so that you will not miss on any during your practical viva. Program 4. Create a data frame quarterly sales where each row contains the item category, item name and expenditure. Group the items by category. So in this program, basically we need to create a data frame named quarterly sales, and each row contains the item category, item name and expenditure. So from this is very clear that if we are creating a data frame using a dictionary, then we'll define keys as item category, item name and expenditure. Also we need to group the items by its category. Okay, so here we have to use group by function also. So code for this program is, in the first line we are importing pandas as PD as we are doing for all the codes we have written till now. Then we are creating a dictionary variable using dic. So dic is equals to curly bracket item category colon list, in which we have written the item categories, then comma item name, then colon, then list of the item company's name, then comma, then expenditure, the amount we are spending to buy these items. So we have created a dictionary with keys, item cat, item name and expenditure, and values are being defined as a list. Now we have created a quad sales variable in which we are importing or we are saving the data frame. For that we are using pd.dataframe. Make sure to write data frame with capital D and capital F, because in Python it's a case sensitive language, so for the small d and small f it's merely a variable. Okay, now we are printing the quad sales, the data frame which we have created here. Then we are using a QS variable in which we are saving quad sales grouped by item cat. That is, we are saving the items we have grouped by category. That selected items are being saving in this QS variable. Now we need to print result after filtering the data frame, that is after grouping the data frame. Now for that we are using print QS list within list item cat comma expenditure, then list closed, then dot sum. So this means that basically we are just expressing the two items of the list as a single list. That's why we are using two lists here, list within list. Okay, also the list within list is being called as nested lists. So this is the concept of nested list in order to avoid the multiple indexing error. Now we are summing up the columns item cat and expenditure by using dot sum function. So this is the code for creating a data frame and then grouping it by item category. So I hope the code is very clear. So now I'm going to show you that how we'll run this code in the IDLE window. Stay tuned. So I've written the code in the IDLE window. As you can see, the whole code is here. Okay, so now I'm going to run this code. So in the output you can see that firstly we have to print the print command for quad sales, so the data frame quad sales has been printed. Now we have given a print command for the statement result after filtering the data frame, so it's being written as it is. Then we have given print command for QS, and we have summed up the item cat and expenditure categories, so the same output has been displayed. So I hope now the code is very clear to you. If you like this one, make sure to like the video and also share it with your friends and please do comment down each and every doubt you are facing in the subject and make sure to answer them all shortly. Thank you.